Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your dual level cargo floor in the 2022 Kia Seltos. I have in front of me here an LX all-wheel drive in Star Bright Yellow. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head into the cargo area. Open the hatch. You'll see right now the cargo floor is at the regular level. So you can lift up and you do get some under storage under there with the spare tire. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift and pull back, and I can even do this one-handed, and let the cargo floor slide, and we're gonna push it down and then slide into place. Now the floor is lowered to gain some valuable extra height in the cargo area. And if you need it to go back to the regular height, we just pull up on it again, pull it up and back, and then get it level with the track that's on the side there to go back to the regular height. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.